In this video, I'm going to show you how to add OneDrive to Teams. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll want to go to the official Microsoft OneDrive website. This is the home of your personal cloud storage, where all your files are conveniently stored and managed. Once you're on the website, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Be sure to use the same account that you use for Microsoft Teams to ensure seamless integration between these two services. After signing in, you'll be directed to the OneDrive home screen. It's time to explore the files you have in your cloud storage. On this page, you'll find a navigation menu that includes a My Files option. Go ahead and click on My Files to view all the documents and media you currently have stored in OneDrive. Now let's say you're ready to share a particular file with your team via Microsoft Teams. To do this, simply browse through your list of files until you find the one you'd like to share. Once you've located the file, click on it to select it. You'll notice various options available for the selected file, including one to share the file. Look for the Share button, which is typically represented by an icon of a person with a plus sign or a link symbol. Clicking on the Share button will present you with different sharing options. You can choose to share the file via email, link, or directly within Teams. Since our focus today is on using Teams, select the option that allows you to send the file directly to a Teams chat or channel. A small window will appear allowing you to enter details such as the recipients, a short message, or select a specific Teams channel to share the file with. Fill in these details to ensure your team receives all the necessary information along with the file. Once you've completed this, simply hit the Send button. By following these steps, you've successfully added your OneDrive files to a Microsoft Teams chat or channel, enabling a smoother workflow and enhancing collaboration with your peers. Leveraging the integration between OneDrive and Teams not only saves time but also keeps your team connected and your projects running smoothly. Thanks for following along and happy collaborating.